Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Dani. So today we are going to do a monthly reading for Sagittarius for the month of September 2025. This will be a general reading guys, so please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings you can reach out to me. Okay, so let's see. In this reading we will try to cover the overall energy for the month. It can be in any phase, any situation of your life. The key challenges or obstacles, actions and advice, strength, opportunities and the probable outcome. At the end of this video, we will also take a guiding message from the angel and ancestors deck. So please do stay till the end. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please do subscribe to my channel. So you will also get the messages I upload every day for the daily energies. Okay, please do hit the notification button so that you get the notification whenever I upload a video or a post. Okay, so let's start with the reading. I don't know what's happening, the card is not coming up. Okay, we'll take it. All right, what's coming for Sagittarius? Okay, let's start. Okay. Okay, again the Lovers card. Just keep it here. Okay, bottom of the deck we have the Five of Wands. So I see somewhere for some of you it can be the current situation is you are surrounded by the people, or you are in a situation where there are so many conflicts, disagreements are happening and people around are trying to pull each other down so that they can keep their words up, their voice high and their own kind of authority. Okay, इट कैन बी कि ये किसी भी सिचुएशन में हो सकता है. मे बी आपके वर्क प्लेस पे ऐसा हो रहा है कि देयर आर सो मेनी कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स हैपनिंग एंड नो बडी इज़ ट्राइंग टू लिसन टू वॉट द अदर पर्सन इज सेइंग एंड रैदर अपना जो डिसीजन है या जो उनका ओपिनियन है सिर्फ उसी को इम्पोर्टेंस देने के लिए पीपल आर स्ट्रगलिंग. ओके, it can be in your relationship. You or your partner or the family members are not able to understand what the other person is going through or trying to say, and there are so many misunderstandings, conflicts happening, which is somewhere draining everyone around or you in the situation at an emotional and energetic level. Okay, it's like causing mental lethargy. Not lethargy is not the right word. Mental energetically you are mentally drained. Okay, emotionally you are not able to think clearly because of all that conflict and disagreements. Okay, that is what I see, and that is somewhere also impacting your growth. Okay, that is also the message I'm getting. Now the overall energy for the month is to move. Now movement here can be for some of you may have to move to a different place, you may have to relocate yourself. It can be in a different city altogether, different state, different country, or to a different home. There is a relocation kind of energy I'm getting. For some of you I am getting the message of moving to a different job in your work. Okay, it's like you need to be very determined, you need to be very confident, you need to have proper strategy and plan before you know move from any situation. It can be like you need to analyze the situation from all the different angles and then only decide to move from one place to another. It can be anything then. Okay, also I see in your workplace there will be growth, you will see growth coming in, but to get that growth or to work on something new, you have to be very confident and ready to accept the challenges. अगर आपके रास्ते में, आपके वर्क में, आपके लाइफ में कोई भी challenges आते हैं तो आपको उससे डरना नहीं है. You should be ready to take it, and at the same time you have to be very confident and determined. You need to have a proper strategy, as I said. सो आपके पास जब प्रॉपर प्लान होता है, आप कॉन्फिडेंट होते हो, तो जो भी चैलेंजेस आते हैं उसको बहुत ईजिली हैंडल करना बहुत ईजी हो जाता है. राइट, सो दैट इज़ वॉट द ओवरऑल एनर्जी इज़ फॉर यू Sagittarius. Now I see the challenges here is even if you have everything. So as I said, right, there are so many disagreements and conflicts happening that even if you have everything, somewhere you will not be at peace. Okay, I don't know why I'm getting that, but yeah, that is what is happening. You are not at peace and you are waiting for some kind of communication to come in. For some of you it's like you are waiting for a legal matter to be resolved and waiting for the decision in your favor. For some of you are waiting for a reward in your workplace, That can be for most of you, that you are waiting for a reward in your workplace, because you know you have worked, you have given 200% of your energy and your knowledge and your skills into it, and now you are waiting for the recognition for that work. You are waiting for that financial reward, that bonus, that appreciation into your workplace. And since it is taking some time, it is kind of getting bit challenging for you to hold on to it. Okay, that is what also I see. But there is definitely growth. You do not have to give up in whatever situation you are in. You do not have to give up. Things will work out in your favor, because that is what the action is. Don't give up on that situation impulsively, immature होके कोई decision मत लेना, that even if there are chances that you will get the growth, but impulsively immature होके या जल्दबाजी में कोई डिसीजन ले लिया अगर आपने, तो मे बी वो आपको ये जो आपको रिवॉर्ड्स मिलने वाले हैं वो आपसे मिस हो जाएंगे. ओके, दैट इज़ व्हाट आई सी. अनदर थिंग व्हाट आई एम गेटिंग इज़ यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल विद योर फाइनेंसेस. ओके, अगेन इमेच्योर होकर कोई डिसीजन नहीं लेना है. इन्वेस्टमेंट्स अगर आप कर रहे हो तो दूसरे सिचुएशन, हर सिचुएशन को एनालाइज करके आपको डिसीजन लेने की ज़रूरत है. फाइनेंसेस को बहुत केयरफुली हैंडल करने की ज़रूरत है. अगर आप किसी को मनी बोरो किसी से कर रहे हो या किसी को लेंड कर रहे हो, तो बहुत केयरफुली उसको एनालाइज करके कि हाउ मच इज़ दैट यू शुड गिव और हाउ मच इज़ दैट यू शुड टेक, सो दैट देर इज़ नो प्रॉब्लम इन रिटर्निंग इट बैक और टेकिंग इट बैक, वट एवर द सिचुएशन इज़, राइट. सो बहुत अच्छे से चीज़ों को एनालाइज करके आप डिसीजन लेना. बट देर इज़ डेफिनेटली ग्रोथ कमिंग इन, बट यू हैव टू बी वेरी पेशेंस. दैट इज़ वॉट ऑल्सो आई सी. अनदर थिंग इज़ somewhere you are not looking at the opportunities being provided to you. You are आप ना लैक पे फोकस कर रहे हो कि ये नहीं हुआ, वो नहीं हुआ. In your relationship, especially as I said, right, emotionally also you are feeling drained, and because you are focusing on all this, somewhere you may there is this energy of taking an impulsive decision or action. Okay, so you have to avoid that kind of thing. Since it's like just try to grab the opportunities, try to understand what universe is trying to give you or making you ready for, and just hold on to the situation and think logically, practically and emotionally from all the angles, and then only take a decision. Because the outcome here is there is the energy of getting success, but you have to understand that it should not be at a something which is going at an egoistic level. उस तरह से नहीं होना चाहिए. It has to be very thoughtful action. That is how you will get the reward and outcome of your work. Okay, because if you will if you will take any action or do something which is immature, things may not be so clear how they are supposed to be. Okay, you will still face some obstacles, you will still face some confusions, and will not be able to think clearly and see clearly. That is why the guidance for you here is to not to take impulsive decision. Be very confident, open to challenge, have proper plan, proper strategy on whatever you are doing, and only then you will be able to see the rewards working in your favor. There are very good chances that you will get the reward for your work which you are waiting here, but it will happen only when you will think from a different perspective, from a leadership perspective, and not in an a younger person or an immature person. Don't do that. Okay, so that is what the guidance here for you is, Sagittarius. Now let's see what is the guiding message from the angels and ancestors for you for the month of September. Okay, Heart Guardian. Okay, I knew this will come because of the lack you are focusing in at your emotional level in your life. So it's like love and let yourself be loved. So if you are thinking somewhere that you do not deserve love, or your love has not found you, or you are actually good enough to be loved by everyone, so it's just a reminder that yes, you are good enough. You don't have to doubt yourself. It's just that you need to give love to yourself and to those around you. So it's like once you start loving yourself, you will start seeing things differently. Okay, so you need to just change your perspective, be loving to yourself and to others, and then things will be, your perception to see things will change, and the energy around you will change accordingly. Okay, so that is what the reading for you is, Sagittarius. Please do claim the positive energy. If you have liked it, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.